Welcome to another Recipe Wednesday as a part of the Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge. My name is Mary Ann Wright and I'm a 4-H area educator and assistant to the regional coordinator for Lincoln University Cooperative Extension. We're so happy that you're joining us today. Today I have Miss Levita helping again with our recipe, so I'm going to go ahead and turn things over to her.
Thank you, Mary Ann, and welcome back. My name is Levita Lockridge. I am the FNEP Program Assistant for Lincoln University Cooperative Extension in Caruthersville, and today our recipe for our Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge is English muffin pizza. And today, to help me with this recipe, I have Juliana and Bria. Thank you. So let's get started. For our English muffin pizza today, we will need one English muffin,
olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of pizza sauce, salt and pepper, half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 4 slices of pepperoni.
and for additional toppings, you can use veggies or you can use fruit. Pineapples is a great idea. You can also use black olives or just whatever you have in the refrigerator. Let's get started with our directions. Our very first direction is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Our second step, we are going to split the English muffin by using a fork. You will end up with 2 halves. Then we're going to place the English muffin halves, cut side up, onto our baking sheet and lightly drizzle with olive oil. We will heat it in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. And we have already done that step. Our next direction.
Carefully remove your English muffin halves from the oven and add your toppings.
Great. And we'll start by spooning 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of pizza sauce on your English muffin. Very good. Juliana. After you complete this step, our next step, we will be adding cheese, mozzarella cheese. We will be adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of cheese on top of our English muffin. You can use any. You can also add Italian seasoning if you have some at home. That looks good.
Now we can add our toppings. Today we're using pepperonis, but you can use any toppings you want.
Any toppings such as beef. You can even use grilled chicken for a topping for your pizza. Let's give you some pepperonis. After we place our pepperonis on our English muffin, our next step is to
Put it back on the baking sheet for 8 to 10 more minutes where you can look your toppings.
voila, we're back. Don't they look delicious? Please be reminded, if you are taking a hot item out of the stove, make sure you get an adult supervision and make sure you use an oven mitt to remove hot items from the stove. Our next step, we are going to place them on the table, and we are about to. You can also consider
Topping with fresh basil and enjoy as a snack or an easy lunch or dinner.
Great. So our next step is to try our pizza. How is it, girls? Good. Again, this pizza, the English muffin pizza, it can be a great lunch or a dinner, or you can even have it for a snack.
Yay! Thank you so much for helping us, Levita and girls. We hope you enjoyed our Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge. This is our final Recipe Wednesday for the 2022 Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge. We hope you'll join us again as we do another program in the future. And remember, you can access all the recipes and exercises that we've been doing for the last 4 weeks on the Strive for Health Google Drive, or you can access it through our Pemiscot County 4-H Facebook page. See you next time. Bye.